Welcome everyone. You have an iPhone and the left speaker is not working. The reason why it's not working is because this is a microphone and not a speaker. So the right grill is a speaker, but there is dual speaker system on the iPhone. The second speaker is located at the very top right here. To prove that this is a microphone and to prove this is a speaker, let's open the Voice Memos app. And inside of here, let's start a recording. And if you just tap the bottom, you see that? It's making these loud noises. That is because this right here is a microphone. And when I rub my finger here, you can see it's making those loud noises. If I do it on the right hand side and I don't speak, you can see virtually nothing is picked up. I do it on the left hand side. You see that? That's because that is a microphone. If I stop the recording here, and I'm going to play it, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it real quick. I'm going to put this part of the iPhone, the top part, next to my microphone, and let me know if you can hear the audio. Okay, so I'm going to do it right now. 3, 2, 1. You see that? It's making these loud noises. Okay, you can hear that. Now I'm going to put the bottom part of the iPhone next to the microphone. Do that. 3, 2, 1. That is because, and hopefully that didn't hurt your ears, but yeah, this is a speaker, this is a speaker, this is a microphone. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.